In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an application in Cloudways. One of the biggest advantages of Cloudways is that you can host multiple applications on a single server without needing to purchase a separate hosting plan every time you launch a new site. That makes it especially useful for developers, agencies, and WordPress users who need staging sites, client projects, online stores, or separate web apps running under the same server resources. To get started, open your browser and go to the Cloudways platform login page. Sign into your account and land on the main dashboard. Once you're inside, look toward the top left area of the interface and open the server section. This is where Cloudways keeps the infrastructure side of your account organized. From here, choose the active server where you want your new application to live. That could be a server running on providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, or AWS, depending on how your account is set up. After selecting the server, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Add Application button. A setup window will appear with the option to select the server and application. Take a second here to confirm that the correct server is selected because the application will be deployed inside that server environment. Once everything looks right, continue by clicking Add Application. Now you'll choose the software blueprint for your new app. Open the application dropdown and select the type that matches your project. If you're creating a standard site, the optimized WordPress option is usually the easiest choice. If you're building an online store, WooCommerce is a better fit. And if you're working on a custom project, you can choose options like a PHP application or Laravel. This is an important step because it defines the foundation Cloudways will prepare for you behind the scenes. Next, enter a name for your application. Use something clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you manage several sites. Then assign the application to the appropriate project so your workspace stays organized. When that's done, click Add Application at the bottom. Cloudways will begin provisioning the application automatically, and this usually takes just a few minutes. If you'd rather not start from scratch, there's also a faster route. Open an existing application that you want to reuse as a template. In the application management area, use the three-dot menu next to the app and choose Clone App/Create Staging. Then select the destination server and save. Cloudways will create a copy of that application, including its files and database structure. Once the new app is ready, do a quick final review. Check the application details, confirm the app name is correct, verify the access URL loads properly, and make sure the dashboard looks normal without any errors or missing information. That way, you know the deployment completed successfully and the application is ready for the next stage of setup. That's all for this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.